Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix TikTok not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5-10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update iOS version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is clear the TikTok app. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Tap on TikTok. You can see appears on screen. Tap on offload app. Offloading TikTok will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Offload app. Tap on it and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update TikTok app. Tap on App Store, search TikTok app, open TikTok app, check the app updates are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are on cellular network, try switching to different networks or disabling and re-enabling your cellular data. So for this, check your internet connection and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact bitspot.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix TikTok not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.